In this class, we explore your own natural imagination, how to harness your curiosity, and turn that into creative output that you can use to solve real problems facing our world today. Experience is very important, which is why we fly the airplanes in class, because the act of physically engaging in something that makes you curious makes you just lean in because you want to see what turns out to be the outcome of any action.
This class was really fun because we were able to learn in new and unconventional ways. This semester we worked on a lot of projects like a virtual reality assistant for student athletes and an AI chatbot. The skills that I've learned in this class have given me a unique perspective and really set me up for success for life after college.
When you get out to work, someone's going to ask you, what do you think? It's your opportunity to provide new perspective. Honing your creativity, your ability to innovate, and understanding that entrepreneurs look for spaces where opportunities reside is a great career skill no matter where you are, no matter what your major is, and no matter what job you have.